Good morning, children. Today we are just going to learn about our activity number 2 from the textbook. That is about the combination reaction, children. Combination reaction is the reaction in which two or more reactants combine to give us a single product. Now, before starting with the activity, we are just learning about such of the chemicals which already we have discussed. Calcium oxide, that is CaO, which is having common name quicklime. What is the use of it? It is used for manufacturing the cement. So that is a compound which is going to use for today's activity. Second is calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice, which is having common name slaked lime and which is used for the whitewashing of walls. So now for our activity, the material required, which are beakers, water, quicklime, that is known as calcium oxide, glass rod and thermometer. Why there is a need of thermometer, children? Because whenever there is a addition of calcium oxide into water, there is rise in the temperature. To measure out the temperature, we are using thermometer. So here from the diagram we just learn about the activity. We have two beaker. First beaker is having calcium oxide and another beaker is having addition of water into it. So when we touch the beaker, we are having hot sensation, and that is due to the rise in temperature. We can measure the temperature by using the thermometer in beaker B. So when you put the thermometer, the temperature rises from whatever the room temperature. So what we conclude by this activity, that whenever calcium oxide is added to water, there is a evolution of heat. That means heat is evolved and there will be a rise in temperature which is going to be used by measured by thermometer. So here, due to large amount of heat, evolution of heat, that reaction is also known as exothermic reaction, and here we are having a single product which is going to be formed, that is slaked lime. So that reaction is known as combination reaction. Now we learn about the multiple choice question from this particular activity. The very first question is, what is the chemical name of quicklime? Options are given: calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, calcium phosphate, calcium hydroxide. So the correct answer is calcium oxide. Second is, which change do you observe where quicklime is added to water? So the answer is evolution of heat. So this is the particular two question which is there from the activity. You can just having a look on it. Now the third question, name the substance formed during the reaction between calcium oxide and water. Options are given, that is calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide, and none of these or none of the above. So the particular correct option is calcium hydroxide, children. And last question is there, when heat is evolved during the reaction, that reaction is known as, we know that reaction is known as exothermic reaction, children. Exothermic reaction is the reaction in which the heat is evolved. Thank you, and we'll just keep in touch